headlines. 3 BSF Jawans hurt in Imphal IED blast. Naga Civil Society wants to resolve impasse over separate Naga flag. And Modi says India wants to transform Northeast as a gateway to Southeast Asia. Hello, you're watching the news at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. 3 personnel of 120 Tripura Border Security Force were injured with a high-intensity improvised explosive device exploded at Telepati of Imphal East last night. As per reports, the bomb went off near Telepati Kali Mandir when a combined team of Manipur police and BSF personnel were on their way to Telepati, where a scuffle-like situation was reported. The injured Jawans were rushed to nearby Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, for medical treatment. The injured were identified as ASI Lal Kumar, aged 55 years, hailing from Agartala, Constable Koram Mahindra, aged 35 years, and Rifleman Santaram, aged 25 years, both hailing from Chhattisgarh. They are currently posted at ISBT Khumanlam Park, Imphal. The police are investigating the incident.
11:30.
Meanwhile, residents of Telepati, Imphal East staged a sit-in protest this morning to register a protest against last night's IED blast. It may be noted that Imphal and other parts of Manipur have been witnessing countless protests after the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity launched a sustained agitation demanding that no content of the Indo-Naga peace deal should impinge upon the boundary and integrity of the state. Consequent to the October 31st development in the political talks between the Government of India and the NSC and IM over the issue of separate Naga flag, various Naga civil organizations have welcomed the thawing of the stalemate. The organizations also loaded the working committee of the 7 Naga national political groups. The other party engaged in a parallel peace negotiation with the Government of India, a media report said. Earlier on October 31st, the Working Committee had expressed confidence that the NSC and IM leadership has opted for peace, adopting a practical and realistic approach to concluding the political negotiations. The Naga Students Federation, while welcoming the positive outcome of the October 31st meeting between the Government of India and the NSC and IM, appreciated both the parties involved in the political dialogue for adopting such progressive policies and resorting to ways that could eventually result in a peaceful future for the Naga people. The Nagaland Tribes Council also congratulated the NSC and IM Working Committee and NPGs and the Government of India, represented by interlocutor R.N. Ravi, for their efforts towards bringing the protracted Indo-Naga political issue to a logical end. The NTC also thanked the 14 indigenous Naga tribes of Nagaland and the Nagaland GB Federation for having stood in unity and whose expressive support for solution was a crucial requirement at the very critical juncture. The Zilaigrong civil organizations appreciated the Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the efforts given to bring a final solution to the decades-long Naga political movement. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India wants to transform the Northeast as a gateway to Southeast Asia. He further stressed that the step would to strengthen the country's deep, friendly and historical relationship with Thailand. Modi addressed thousands of people of Indian origin in Bangkok's Nimbitur Stadium at the Swadesi PM Modi. Sawasdi PM Modi event yesterday. According to reports, Modi also hailed India's ties with Thailand and talked about the similarities between the two cultures. He also said that opening of the India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway will give seamless connectivity between Northeast India and Thailand. This will increase trade in this region as well as tourism and tradition. Yesterday's event comes after the mega Howdy Modi outreach program in the US Houston on September 23rd, attended by more than 50,000 people. Modi is in Thailand on a 3-day visit to take part in the Association of Southern Asian Nations, ASEAN, East Asia and Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Summits. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next. Minister Karam Shyam inaugurates a badminton court and badminton association office building at Chajing Awang Lekai, Lilong. Stay tuned, more after the break.
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer oina 40% discount pijari. October tang kun taretagi, November tang mga fauba khaktamak pijaba discount ni. Pijari services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox asina chingbani. Extra charges yaudana yum dalaktuna service su pijari. Ayu pung taradagi numidang wairam pung taruk fauba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin biro Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Chekon Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385 244 7383 natraga 2447 385. Aikogi email ID hkgangte@gmail.com.
Special Ningal Chakuba and Diwali offers. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors Airport Road, Khari, near Comprehensive Concept School, Infa, or contact us at 9366 508 258.
Welcome back. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam today inaugurated a badminton court and an office building of Badminton Association at Chajing Awang Lekai, Lilong. Speaking at the event, Karam Shyam appealed to the youngsters to give more emphasis on games and sports and to stay away from drugs. The event was organized by Lilong Chajing Awang Lekai Badminton Association and 2029 Development Committee, Chajing Awang Lekai. Minister Karam Shyam further said that Langthabal is one of the developed constituencies in the state.
Community hall Nong Padok Sakcha Hija Navana Tragana Kaima function Taubagi importance to the Gidi Ojik hold Chida Sanaroikea at the badminton Kangde any play Sanabayava indoor Yoba Poaching Sanarapakanda Ojik drugs na attack Toreba Manipuri Harvard Singsi at the Madudagi Nantong Nanavia Tobumaram Amakami. Iba Wakalondo the Tazabatamaga si badminton hall Chiwarakwane.
Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad organized its 48th Freshers social gathering in Delhi yesterday. The event was held on the theme Apunbana Yaifare. A large number of Manipuri students in New Delhi participated in the glittering event. On the occasion, Masad Vice President Javed spoke on 2 years' annual report on Masad activities. He appealed to all the freshers to actively participate in various activities of Masad. As a part of the occasion, Miss and Mr. Freshers were also chosen. Besides other subtitles, the beauty event was jointly sponsored by Chanu Associate, Kaithel Express, Dwellers Tea, Fluorescence and Haile Creation.
Without any reason, they have their genuine reason. So how do we solve this genuine reason? Or developmental process the Imphal Valley centric oiba safatpa gi mawangama tawriba si MSAD na content tawzai aduga aikoina tawjaningba appeal di then paliba lengak tasu then aikoi gi satra na so aikoina khanhaning basi decentralized oiba developmental process adomna akoi changsin si.
Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur organized a cleanliness drive at Narimthong Lerak Machin and Lamboi Khongnangkhong ahead of Manitex fair to be held at Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboi Khongnangkhong from November 5th to 14th. Taking part in the cleanliness drive, Textile Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit said that the Manitex fair is being organized by the government with the principal objective to help boost the state economy and to generate income.
तोान तोान संस्थान तोान तोान नुपी की लूप पुनम पुले हरकान अखोना मरुना अखोई यंगस्टर यंग नहारों हेन फोकस पीर है सोशल सर्विस तौर तोान तोान फैशन की ओरो तोान तोान अखोई लूप मैम इन्वॉल्वमेंट तौबसी मैम उबीरे सिगुम पुनम से अखोना खुद की चाखनब नब होनरे हरकान अखोना पुनम अफब मणिपुर में सेम अफब भारत में सेम मेसेज पीनिंग अखोई पुनम की अखोई पुनः होनमीनब पुनम की इन्वॉल्वमेंट चंगी पुनम होनरब अखोई माई पाप गमगनी है मेसेज अखोना सी तौरे है लोई फरनी है नतब मिपुम खुद अखोई अवेयरनेस खादब मयोजू खानब है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रिंट मीडिया की इचिनाउसिंग टाइप तौरे हरकान अखोई पांथोक्चबनी.
The two-day Shillong Autumn Festival kicked off yesterday, organized by Opus Production. The festival is being held at the Water Sports Complex, Orchid Lake Resort in Umiam. The inauguration was marked by spectacular performances from local bands larger than 90 and Light After Dark. Prior to aesthetic performances from the bands, cultural troops from the three tribes of Meghalaya Khasi, Jaintia and Garo performed the traditional dances which marked the opening of the two-day festival. Larger than 90, a novice punk rock band from Jowai town in West Jaintia Hills district enthralled the audience at the start of the show.
And pour rice beer and sprinkle rice powder over a collection of drum cultivation products which are offered to the gods.
Brisk preparations are on to observe the death anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika in Assam's Hojai. The day-long program will be organized on Tuesday next. According to media reports, Ankur Sangha along with Hojai District Assam Sahitya Sabha, Hojai Unit Assam Sahitya Sabha and Samnavya Ek Mancha have jointly lined up various programs to be organized at Vishnupalli in Hojai. A bust of the music maestro will be unveiled and foundation stone of a library will be laid by Dr. Amarjyoti Chaudhary, former Vice Chancellor, Guwahati University. Foundation stone of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika open stage will be laid on the same day by noted poet Dr. Nanda Singh Barkola. Various other programs like Bhupendra Sangeet dance competition will be organized. Time for another short break, but stay tuned for more news.
Luhongbagi furniture set ka loinana style and style amadi local almirah phambiragani. Furniture set ama laibada fian ama lemna hapchari loinana ningol chakaubagi akhanaba offer su pizari. Bed, dining table, office table, sofa, almirah, fridge asina chingba khudimak phambiragani. Ngasimak lengsen biro steel decor. Sagol Bantera Akamlikai Imphal Manipur. Contact number 9612167042 Natraga 8794714511.
Luan Aruna Khat Tang Mai La Mai Adventist Youth Federation West Circle Tuang Youth Camp Hai December 16 to 19, 2019 Namduan Jang National Highway 37 None District Kai Luang Gai Khau Adventist Youth Kagwai Guang Kariunu Khang Leaders Guai Rui Samda Lobam The Chabuan Panti Akhatna Sumai Lung Khau Nailana Ring Swang Mai Gai Cham Kadam La Cham Khang Guang Lau Diu Khang Tithai.
Welcome back. President Ramnath Kovind is presently on his two-day visit to Sikkim. He arrived in Gangtok yesterday. Governor Ganga Prasad, Chief Minister Prem Singh Gole, Speaker of Sikkim Legislative Assembly LB Das and other dignitaries received the President at Army Helipad in Libing. The President is scheduled to attend the 5th convocation of the Sikkim University as the chief guest at Manan Kendra in Gangtok today. 4 Nigerian footballers were arrested by railway police at Agartala railway station yesterday while they were on their way to Guwahati during a search on a Guwahati-bound train. According to sources, the footballers were arrested as they did not have any travel papers for their entry in India. They have got valid Nigerian passports and valid visa to Bangladesh. However, they don't have any travel papers for their entry in India. The arrested Nigerians have been identified as Okafor Obiora Michael, 23, Ibangnugo Odikpo Donatus, 28, Madhubuku Onyedika Chukwu Stanley, 29 and Peterson Wilson, 27. Kru Muay Thai Association in association with Government of Pattaya City, Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Tourism Authority of Thailand is organizing the 5th International and Thai Martial Arts Games and Festival 2020 from March 8 to 17, 2020 at Pattaya Beach in Thailand. Manipur Mixed Martial Arts Association in a press release today informed all interested players to submit their biodata to the association office located at Kurai Puthiba, Imphal. The Netherlands clinched the ICC Men's T20 World Cup Qualifier 2019 title after beating Papua New Guinea by 7 wickets in the final last night. Ben Cooper and Brandon Glover started with the bat and ball respectively for the Dutch and the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Man of the match Brandon Glover took 3 wickets for 24 as Papua New Guinea were restricted to 128 for 8 in their allotted 20 overs. In reply, Ben Cooper top scored for the Netherlands with a 33 ball 41, while Ryan ten Doorstede scored a crucial 34 not out of 23 balls to take the Dutch home 7 wickets in hands and an over to spare. Both the Netherlands and Papua New Guinea had already qualified for next year's T20 World Cup in Australia along with Oman, Scotland, Namibia and Ireland. Earlier in the day, Ireland claimed 3rd place with a 27-run win over Namibia as their bowlers defended a modest total brilliantly. Now let's have a look at the newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express, militarization of educational institutes. Human rights activists file complaints to Manipur Human Rights Commission. Police thwart protests at airport. Deputy Chief Minister appeals Kukumi to withdraw ultimatum. Manipur People's Party warns against rushing to final deal. Won't back off, asserts Kukumi. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister Biren commits to safeguard of Manipur. Northeast India will be gateway to Southeast Asia. Group mulls legal action against government. Center, NSC and IM move closer to final pact. Imphal Free Press. Government orders banks to freeze accounts of Naringbam Samajit Yambem Biren. Kukumi has no intention to dictate. Investors' stakeholders' money in safe hands, says Salai Vice Chairman. Court allows police to search offices, sub-offices of Salai Group. Chief Minister interacts with social media admins. The Morning Bell. State freezes bank accounts of Samarjit Biren. Court issues search warrant for 16 Salai offices. Deputy Chief Minister appeals Kukumi to withdraw November 4th deadline. Kukumi alleges Chief Minister misinterpreted its demands, clarifies on question of issuing dictate. Begin dialogue with stakeholders of state on Naga settlement issue, says CPIM. Chief Minister interacts with social media admins. Expresses concern over hate posts, unverified and fake news.
Now before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Three BSF Jawans hurt in Imphal IED blast. Naga Civil Society wants to resolve impasse over separate Naga flag. And Modi says India wants to transform Northeast as a gateway to Southeast Asia. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.